Discover the incredible benefits of ginger tea for health and wellness, why you should drink it daily. Ginger, a plant with a rich history that spans over thousands of years, has been treasured for both its culinary and medicinal properties. Whether in your kitchen or medicine cabinet, ginger is one of nature's most versatile and valuable ingredients. It is not only used to spice up dishes, but also offers a wide range of health benefits that make it a go-to remedy for many health concerns. One of the most popular ways to harness the power of ginger is through ginger tea. In this article, we will explore the numerous benefits of ginger tea, how it can improve your overall health, and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. 1. Ginger, a powerful plant with rich history. Ginger has a long-standing history in various traditional medicine systems, valued for its therapeutic qualities. With its strong, distinctive flavor, ginger contains essential vitamins and minerals, including high levels of vitamin C, magnesium, and other vital compounds that contribute to its wide range of health benefits. This powerful plant has been used for thousands of years to improve health and treat ailments, making it an invaluable ingredient in both culinary and medicinal contexts. 2. Reasons to drink ginger tea. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your health and energy, ginger tea should be at the top of your list. The following are some of the most compelling reasons to sip on this delightful and beneficial beverage. 2.1 Nausea relief. Ginger is widely known for its effectiveness in combating nausea. Various studies, including one published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, have shown that ginger can significantly reduce nausea and vomiting, especially during pregnancy and chemotherapy. Ginger's active compound, gingerol, helps regulate digestive functions and suppresses nausea signals in the brain. For nausea relief, consuming 2 to 4 grams of fresh ginger daily can be very effective. For pregnant women, it's best to limit the intake to 1 gram per day. 2.2 Digestive health. Ginger is highly beneficial for digestion. It stimulates the production of saliva and bile, which helps break down food and ease digestion. If you suffer from bloating, indigestion, or an upset stomach, ginger can provide relief by promoting efficient food movement through the digestive tract. Consuming 1 to 3 grams of ginger daily, whether in the form of tea or fresh root, can significantly alleviate gastrointestinal distress. 2.3 Anti-inflammatory properties. For those dealing with conditions like arthritis or muscle pain, ginger's anti-inflammatory properties are incredibly beneficial. Research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food suggests that ginger can suppress pro-inflammatory compounds in the body, reducing inflammation and pain. The recommended dosage for inflammation relief is around 2 to 3 grams of ginger extract daily. 2.4 Infection-fighting properties. Ginger's antimicrobial properties make it an excellent ally in fighting infections. Studies have shown that compounds in ginger, such as gingerol and shogal, are effective against bacteria and fungi. Whether you're fighting a cold or a bacterial infection, drinking ginger tea regularly can help support your body's natural defense mechanisms. 2.5 Muscle and joint discomfort relief. Chronic muscle and joint pain can be debilitating, but ginger can offer a natural solution. Research published in the Journal of Pain suggests that ginger can effectively reduce discomfort in muscles and joints. With its analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties, ginger can help ease the pain associated with arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. For pain relief, 2 grams of ginger per day is typically recommended. 2.6 Menstrual cramp alleviation. Ginger has long been used to alleviate menstrual cramps, with studies showing it can be just as effective as ibuprofen. In the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine, researchers found that taking 500 to 1,000 milligrams of ginger powder at the onset of menstrual symptoms can reduce pain and discomfort during the first few days of the menstrual cycle. 2.7 Blood sugar regulation. For those managing diabetes or prediabetes, ginger can play a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. A study published in the Journal of Ethnic Foods found that ginger supplementation significantly improved blood sugar control. If you're looking to regulate your blood sugar naturally, 1 to 2 grams of ginger powder per day may be beneficial, but always consult with a healthcare provider to ensure safety. 2.8 Cardiovascular disease prevention. Ginger is also heart healthy. Research suggests that ginger may lower cholesterol levels and improve blood circulation, which can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. 4 cardiovascular benefits. 1 to 2 grams of ginger powder daily is recommended. 2.9 Memory enhancement. The antioxidant properties of ginger may improve memory and cognitive function. A study in evidence-based complementary and alternative medicine suggests that ginger can help enhance cognitive function, possibly due to its anti-inflammatory effects. For memory enhancement, around 400 to 800 milligrams of ginger extract daily may be effective. 3. Recent studies on ginger's health benefits. Recent research has uncovered even more potential health benefits of ginger. Studies are now exploring how ginger may help boost immune function, fight certain types of cancer, and improve respiratory health. While more research is needed, these emerging findings highlight the diverse and powerful role ginger can play in maintaining health and wellness. 4. How to incorporate ginger into your daily routine. Ginger is incredibly versatile and can be consumed in various forms. Here are some popular ways to enjoy ginger and make it a part of your daily routine. Tea. The most common way to enjoy ginger's health benefits is through ginger tea. Simply steep fresh ginger slices in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes, strain, and enjoy. Cooking. Fresh ginger is commonly used in stir-fries, soups, and marinades. It adds a warm, spicy kick to your favorite dishes. Powder. Ginger powder is convenient for baking and seasoning dishes. Crystallized ginger. A sweet treat that can be eaten on its own or used in desserts. Supplements. Capsules or tablets provide a concentrated dose of ginger. Essential oils. Ginger oil can be used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation and well-being. 5. Potential side effects and risks. While ginger offers numerous health benefits, it's important to be mindful of potential side effects. Excessive consumption can cause heartburn, diarrhea, and mouth irritation. People with high blood pressure, gallstones, or those who are pregnant should consult with their healthcare provider before using ginger, as it may affect blood pressure levels and increase bile production. Conclusion. Ginger is more than just a flavorful addition to your meals. It is a powerhouse of health benefits that can support digestion, alleviate pain, regulate blood sugar, and more. Whether you enjoy it in a warm cup of tea, as a spice in your cooking, or in supplement form, ginger is an incredibly versatile and valuable addition to your wellness routine. Just remember to consume it in moderation and consult with a healthcare provider, especially if you have existing health conditions. By incorporating ginger into your daily routine, you can unlock its many benefits and improve your overall health and well-being.